In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the language here in Fortnite Chapter 7. Before you get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but you can do this on PC, console, and mobile, or really any device that you might be playing on. And by default, your game is probably set to English or whatever your native language is. But if you want to switch it to anything that you'd really want, go ahead and select your top right corner and choose your profile icon right here. And from here, what you're going to want to do is select the little settings gear just like so, and go to the fourth tab, which is going to be the game tab right here. In this section, you're going to see an option for your language. Just scroll through this and you could choose really any language you would like from the list. For example, there's Japanese, Spanish, French, really everything's on here. Just make sure that down in the bottom, after you do change your language, that you go ahead and select apply. And the menus are going to instantly switch to that language. If you ever switch to something you can't read, don't worry. Just remember, go to the settings, go to the fourth tab again. Language is the second option on this tab. And then just look for the system default one to return it to the original language. But that is it. After you do apply it, everything is going to be changed. You may need to restart your game for everything to update correctly, but after doing so, you'll be good to go. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.